Hello everyone! It's quite cold this Christmas and Happy New Year. So before guys, magpupuntan kami ng pupunta here in Baguio City. So guys, as you can see, makaliwalas ng panahon guys. Yes. And maluwag yung parking pa. Pero sabi nung nakausap namin pag nagbinga festival na wala ka namang parking yan. Kaya sabi, maigi naman na una kayo guys sa karamihan na sumasalubong sa New Year at saka sa Panagbenga Festival. Ayan, naliwala ko ng guys. Ako, na strawberry preserve. Yes, so ayan. With me pala guys are Happy Joes and saka si Inday. Ganda. Yes, at saka